Ladies and gentlemen, as you have seen,
kambuni ino ya KPMG yendekithitie aikia a kura matanyihire 92 kueherio rejista-ini ikiuga ati ni aria makuite. Aya ni aria magiriiruo kueherio rejista-ini iyo kahinda-ini gaka. No kambuni ino kauga kuri na aikia a kura angi matanyihire mirioni imwe aria marekuo ni akuo no maya gukorwo mari rejista-ini iyo. Mendekithini mayo kuri IEBC kambuni ino ingi kauga makiria ma aikia a kura 170 ni aria mandekithitio no maritwa mao matire regista-ini ya andu bururi-ini. Angi hakuhi 200 ni aria meyandikithitie makiria ya rita rimwe kuringana na kambuni ino na iria ikoretwo igithurima regista iyo kahinda-ini ka mweri umwe. Kuri na aikia a kura matanyihire 4 aria maritwa mao magite regista-ini iyo mari kuma kaunti 19.
So as we are presenting this, delivering this, as KPMG is delivering this report to us, we are at the same time transmitting the same report to Parliament as required by law. Although the law, of course, says 14 days upon receipt, but we don't have much time. Parliament is going on recess, so we think it's appropriate for them to have that.
Kambuni ino ikiandikithia kamiti ya githurano IEBC rutithanie wira na ofisi ya mwandikithia wa andu gutigirira ati aria othe akuo ni meherio regista-ini. Ohoro yu ukitio riri mihango ya a Kenya na guthurima kana maritwa mao mari regista-ini ya aikia a kura iratiriho muthenya wa umuthi. Meng'ano ikoretwo igithii na mbere kahinda-ini ka mweri umwe muthiru. No muigana wa aria meyumiritie ni munini muno kuringana na kamiti ya IEBC na iria itirithitie kwihariria ni undu wa githurano kinene giukite. Kamiti ino ningi ni yaheana kandarathi ya ucabithia wa maratathi ma kura kuri kambuni ya Algurail. Kandarathi ino iheanitwo imwe kwa imwe hatari kwanirithio ni IEBC. Kamiti ino ikiuga ndari na kahinda ga kurumirira mitaratara.
The company has capacity of modern machines, whereby 50% of machine capacity have been allocated for production of ballot papers with adequate backups. 2, the company has suitable emergency production, packaging and delivery plan. It has fully deployed, experienced and qualified personnel. 4, there are 4 direct flights daily by 2 major airlines to Kenya, which would make shipping easier.
Bodi ya guthurima thuguri cia muingi ni yatianirie kandarathi iria kambuni iyo yahetwo hau kabere ni IEBC thutha wa mutaratara uria wekiritwo kwa kurumirirwo. Riboti ino TV ritwa na Macharia Gachuru.
First 4 questions, not 4 people. First 4 questions.